Welcome to Welding Technology Wales, an engineering company established in Ammanford, West Wales by two brothers, professional welders Iadwyn and Islwyn Morgan. The main problems with existing welding engines concerned power and downtime. The ideal machine would have a 100% duty cycle that would need no downtime to cool off, and yet would still retain the power needed by modern welders. There was no such machine, so the brothers set about building one. Here you can see Iadwyn punching a hole in 15mm mild steel using a standard 3.25mm welding rod. The new machine, over 6 years in development, is based around a small but immensely powerful 150 amp generator. The compact size of the generator allows the engine to be much smaller and lighter than existing engines and yet deliver increased power. In addition to the extra power capabilities of the 150 amp generator, the new engines allow the operator to weld in all directions, plus multi-process welding such as MIG, MMA and TIG. The new engines featuring the 150 amp generator are powered by a 13 horsepower petrol engine. They incorporate all the advantages of the earlier prototype machines, including the facility to weld aluminium easily. As you can see here, the welder using the new machine has put down a high quality weld on mild steel with no effort. The new engines are modular, based around units of the 150 amp generator. A 300 amp engine comprises two 150 amp modules. This allows two operators to work at the same time, one welding whilst the other cuts or grinds using hand tools. The power to the hand tool is delivered via a specially designed adapter. Here you can see an operator grinding metal using a hand tool powered by the welding engine with its specially designed adapter. An additional advantage of the new welding engine is its compactness, as can be seen in this clip. The machine is small and light enough to allow two men to carry it comfortably and transport it in the boot of a small saloon car. The existing welding engines have changed little over the past 50 years. The welding of aluminium has been traditionally a difficult process. Controlling the bead with the power of these machines has never been straightforward. The new welding engine developed by Welding Technology Wales has changed all that. The level of power generated and the way that power is delivered has reduced the welding of aluminium to a straightforward task. A new wire feeder, developed specifically to use with these new engines, has been developed by Welding Technology Wales, which makes the task even easier. Here you can see the welder laying down a smooth aluminium weld with no problems at all. These new Welding Technology Wales welding engines are the most advanced portable welding machines in the world. The 150 amp module is so powerful that the welder is able to operate up to 200 feet away from the machine with minimal loss of power. If the 300 amp version is being used, two operators can weld up to 400 feet apart in any direction, either both welding or one welding whilst the other uses hand tools to cut and grind. If you are looking for massive power delivered to electrode holders with no downtime for overheating, if you want multi-purpose, versatile and lightweight generators with minimal loss of power, then these engines are the ones for you. Why not check out the website at www.wtwales.co.uk for more information.